In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sleek and modern navigation bar using Framer. Whether you're designing a website or an app, having a clean navigation bar can really enhance the user experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Framer. Once you're inside Framer, open the project you want to work on. This could be a new project you've started or an existing one that you'd like to refine. It's really up to you and your creative whims. Now, with your project open and ready, we'll start by navigating to the main toolbar. There you'll find an option labeled Insert. What we're looking for is under that menu. Click on Insert and then move down to find Navigation. Select it to bring it into your project. Now that we have our navigation element set, let's make it stand out a bit more by changing the background color. We'll be bold and switch it to black. This is a great color for contrast, especially if you're going for a modern or minimalist design. But we won't stop there. To really make it pop, let's adjust it to a gradient. This adds a layer of depth and interest to your design. When you're adjusting the gradient, we're going to change the white part of the gradient to 20%. This slightly reduces its intensity, providing a softer look. Meanwhile, let's take the gray component and set it at 12%. These subtle changes will give your navigation bar a sleek, professional finish. Moving on, we want to enhance our navigation bar even further by adding some style. Look for the Styles plus icon and click on it. This opens up more design options for us. Among these options is filters. What we're focusing on here is the BG blur effect. Click on it and adjust the blur to a value of 20. This introduces a sophisticated blur effect that complements the gradient beautifully. Next, let's add a few sections to our project. This will help us see exactly how our changes impact the overall design. The goal here is to get a real sense of how the navigation bar interacts with other elements on your page. With your sections in place, it's time to refine the navigation's behavior as users scroll through the page. Click on the navigation element once more and look to the right-hand menu. You'll find a drop-down menu labeled Type. Select Fixed so that our navigation bar remains in place as content slides beneath it. This is a great touch for boosting usability as it keeps important links accessible at all times. Finally, let's put all of our hard work to the test. Click on Preview to see your creation in action. As you scroll down, notice how your navigation bar stays put at the top, becoming slightly transparent. It's a subtle yet powerful effect that adds both style and function to your project. And there you have it. You've just created a stunning, functional navigation bar using Framer. You're now well on your way to enhancing your design projects, making them not only beautiful, but also user-friendly. Thanks for following along and happy designing.